Hello, today I'm gonna build this mount for linear shaft. As you can see, it's a pretty simple construction. I will start out by cutting 29mm piece of this aluminium rod that I bought from scrapyard. It was very cheap. I cut it with bandsaw and then turned the outside dimension. I also pre-cutted all the elements and cut the whole rod in half. Right now I'm gonna drill inside. I start with small drill. And now I'm using 18mm drill. Then I used bandsaw to cut all the segments apart. I also turned the face of it. You can see the part prepared for next step. I will mark the I will mark place for cutting. I will put a single line. It's not very important for it to be in the middle, because I will just use this line and place it parallel to the vise in the milling machine. Right now I'm scratching the center of this line, so I know where to put the center of the mill and drills. I'm milling the surface that the bolt will be sitting on. Then, without changing anything except drill, I'm making 4.2 hole throughout the whole thing. Then I half of it in a 5mm drill and tapping this 4.2mm part. Right now I'm marking the holes and drilling them with a standard press drill. I'm using 5mm drill. Right now I'm just countersacking all the sharp edges. Next step is to make this 1mm cut. Okay, so we have 12 of those. As you can see, the surface is not good. gonna get rid of those chips using hand file. We have this piece. After tapping the hole, this is what is left. I'm gonna get rid of it again using hand file. I will finish all the surface using sandpaper. The cylindrical surface I will sand, drill press and this rod. Those flat surfaces can be easily treated with sandpaper taped on a piece of glass. It provides you flat surface. As you can see, the surface is better. Okay, this is what the final product looks like. It fits the shaft very well. Tightening bolt works fine. I'm sure it will do the job. Okay, thanks for watching, see you next time.